The Airwrap style is using mostly air in an effect called the Kawanda effect. So it's a very clever way of controlling the airflow to help to style the hair. So for example, in the curling barrels here, you'll see the arrows, and in between them there's little slits like this. So out of each of those slits, there's going to be a burst of air blow drying in this direction. So it's a knock-on effect, and in turn it's going to attract our hair onto the barrel. So I'll show you what I mean there. You'll be able to see it in action. So once I bring this over to the hair, it just attracted on and it blow dried it in that position. So I have a really springy curl here now. They have used the same concept in the smoothing brush. So again, to control the airflow to blow dry the hair in the direction that we'd like. So I'll show you this one as well. So as I brushed smooth, the air went in that direction and it helped to blow dry out the curl. The Airwrap still does use some heat, so it's capped at 150 degrees, so you're less likely to experience any extreme heat damage when it's capped at this temperature.